Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Cloarks wireless pan tilt IP camera. Here's everything that comes in the box. Here's the actual camera. Make sure you remove that cover off of there. We have a speaker. We've got a QR code you're going to scan later when you want to set it up. There's a call button. We can put a micro SD card in there, and there's a reset button. So we are going to have to plug this in. Here's the outlet power adapter, and here's the cable, and it is USB-C. Okay, so the cord that comes with it is 39 inches long. So the adapter you can plug into 140 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 1 amp for 5 watts. Now this is an indoor camera. We're gonna plug the USB-C right in here. Okay, plug it in. It does have you can mount this on the wall with this little bitty bracket here. Looks like you have to mount the bracket and then turn it. But we want to make sure and put it down because it's trying to do a setup right now. Okay, there's the app you're going to need. Okay, so you do have to log in and create a username and password. And now we're going to click Add New Device. It wants to use your Bluetooth, allow, and your network. Mine is a plug-in device. And I can hear that sound. Looks like it found it, so I'm going to click on this. Now you've got to select your Wi-Fi and give it your Wi-Fi password. Okay, now you're going to have to join. There's going to be a Wi-Fi being transmitted from the, so there's a Wi-Fi being transmitted from the camera. Hit join. Now the phone is connecting to this and not your normal household Wi-Fi. Okay, you're going to get 4 check marks, and I heard like a big ding out of it. Give it a name, tell it where it's at. Next step. Looks like it was added successfully. Let's start. Checking the Wi-Fi strength. Ooh, it looks weak, I guess. I plan on using it as with it plugged in. Now there was some paid plans. I'm going to do the free version, but I do need to do an update. Okay, so the update was done, and then you got to back out of that. Now this is the default. It's not in pan. I can move it, but it's not tracking me. So click this button right here. We can do tracking. All right, now it's tracking. If I got motion over here, it's going to lock on. When I start moving over here, now it's locking onto this motion. It's got a pretty clear display also. So it does have this neat feature where you can call. So if somebody's at your, and they press this button, you get a message saying, and you can answer it. You have to allow. Okay, now I can start speaking. Now I can store everything onto the SD card. So in order to get to the SD card, you want to put it in sleep mode. Now I can put a micro SD card right in there and then wake it up. Okay, so it stands about 5 inches tall. It's a cube. It's about 3 inches wide. It is very quiet, but the pan and tracking is really good. Motion detectness, infrared night vision, two-way audio, pan tilt, wireless, yep, and full high definition. So I hope this setup and unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.